2 weeks ago, I decided to commit to the hardest study challenge of my whole life, writing an exam. I used to hate study up until a point when 3 years ago I am very weak in study. I started to go for study a few times per week and fell in love with study. But unfortunately, I got something happen on my health. I'm actually doubting myself right now if I will be able to write my exams or this goal was just way too huge for me. Only 2 weeks left for my exam and right now I'm studying, but yeah, it feels so different. I mean, it's so hard. I can do it, or maybe I don't know, but yeah, let's see. The energy of this whole exam was something I never experienced before, made me believe that I can do it. Just be strong and study hard. I always remember there are no shortcuts for success, so that I keep learning, I keep doing for myself. I keep learning, and yeah, this is books and I learned like everything, whatever I learned. And I can't study today. It's so hard. Heart is so paining right now. I don't know what my exam is going on and what happened on my exam. I don't know what will happen on my exam. I got gallstone and I didn't know on that times. That's why I take gastric medicines. Finally, my health is okay right now and my exam is near. Only 2 days left for my exam. I'm going to write my exam. This is my first day of my exam. After my first day of my exam, I take some rest and to refresh my mind so that I can concentrate on studying more and more again. Alright, so why I came here? Because we need to be fresh our mind, because you study too much. It's very stressful things. Like now I'm trying myself. I'm so much study today. It's like 5 and 6 hours and my head is like it's freaking sucks home. And yeah, that's why I came here and near trees, downs and enjoying. And so actually now I know how to learn, because in my school days also many people say for me, my teacher, my principals, my parents even also saying for me that you're not good in study, you're so poor, you're so boring. And yeah, and I know myself that because I'm not learning myself, because I'm dependent on the others, that's why I didn't learn anything and I'm very weak in study. Yeah, I believe that yeah, I'm very weak in study in my school life, but now I'm not too much weak. I'm improving myself because now I know how to learn, because learning yourself is very good things. Don't depend on the others, just follow yourself and believe yourself and learn yourself. This is the main things to learn. So now also I challenge myself on my exam. I'm not using even cheatings. I learn myself. When I fail or pass, I write myself and this is my own knowledge. So yeah, I'm proud of myself. Actually, I want to tell you that why I came here in YouTube, because I want to share my message, that I want to connect with you all guys, because to motivate together and to improve ourselves, we all together. So I want to share for you all guys. That's why I came here in YouTube. So please, let's support together each other and let's motivate ourselves all together, and we can do it. And yeah, hopefully we will do it more and more again. Yeah, so let's improve ourselves. I want to tell you that don't cheat, write yourself, improve yourself, because in long terms you will be benefit yourself if you learn yourself then. But if you cheat, then you will not going to be like you know, think it now. And yeah, let's motivate together, and so let's see on my result day. Okay, then yeah, take care, peace out, bye bye.